guys, so my goal for 2023 is to save money, and one of the ways that I've been trying to save money is cutting out how many times I eat out a month. Because honestly, if you look at my credit card bill, it's mainly just me eating out. I'll make plans with my friends and the first thing I'm saying is like, let's go get drinks or let's go eat out. But this year it's going to be different, and one of the ways that I've done this is bubble tea is like a staple kind of like treat that I get for myself, and my friends are always telling me that I can make it myself, and I'm very lazy, so I'm always like, no, like too much work. But I went online in November last year and I looked at some places that like sell bubble tea to be made at home, and I came across this place called Pearly Drinks, and I ordered their like, I don't know what the bundle was called, but it comes with like 5 different flavors, and I'll like have a picture to show you guys. It comes with like 5 different flavors, and yeah, I'm gonna make it. It says that it's gonna be made in like 3 minutes, and I'm assuming the 3 minutes is after you boil your water. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my bundle, boil the water, put it together, and see if it actually tastes good. Okay, so these are the flavors I got. I don't drink matcha, so I'm gonna give that away to a friend. But the rest of them I will try. The passion fruit tea, if I don't like it, I'll give it to my brother. Look at me thinking of him and other people. It comes with 1 glass boba cup, but I bought a second one in case like I have friends over and we're making some. And those are the glass trays I was talking about with the big spoons to stir it all. Because I obviously didn't use the ice trays, the glass trays, the ice trays. I'm just gonna get ice from my fridge, but let's go. So as I wait for my water to boil, I washed out the glass cup that I got, just because obviously if you're going to use something for the first time, you should be hygienic and wash it. The straw came with its own cleaner, so I definitely washed that out too. And it's so cute. I'm a little indecisive when it comes to which one I should make. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go with the original, be a little basic, because if I don't like it, I'm hoping I can just keep adding sugar until it makes sense. So I had to get scissors to open this. On the top cover of the box, it gives you the instructions on how to make it. And then inside you have your tapioca balls and the powder. Okay, well I'm going to try to record with one hand while I do everything else with the other, just so we can do it together, but we'll see how it goes. I couldn't find any way to open this, so I'm just going to cut it. So I cut the top off. This is what the powder's looking like. Now we're going to do step 1. Okay, if I'm paying attention to the camera, I will pour this where it's not supposed to be. So there's about like that much. It's empty. Onto the tapioca balls. Okay, well the tapioca balls had somewhere to rip, but it was too difficult for me, so I ended up cutting it with scissors as well. I'm going to put it into this glass bowl and then microwave it. Okay, I'm struggling. 1 sec. While I was pouring it in, the water boiled, and because this is glass, I'm just gonna give the water like a little bit to cool down. So I'm going to go and get some ice while I wait for the water to cool down just a smidge, and then do this because I'm not gonna touch that when it's hot. I got water from my fridge in a bowl. Let me make sure that this is all good, and I thought I was gonna sneeze. I'm gonna put them in there. Probably not use all of this, so that was kind of a waste. But let's go put this in the microwave, and we won't start it yet. Okay, so real talk, I poured it while putting the glass, like warming the glass up, because what if the glass broke because of the hot water? I've seen things break before because the glass was hot and it touched something colder and it shattered. Yeah, I was not about that. So, ooh, no, I'm supposed to stir for 30 seconds. All right, I'm gonna leave that there for now. And then we're gonna go back to the tapioca. All right, it's already in, so I'm gonna hit the 30. Wow, I'm struggling. I tried one of the tapioca balls and it was good. So 30 seconds was the key to it. I'm gonna pause because I don't want to spill any of them. That would be the dub. Ooh, I was reading the instructions, and right before that I realized you're supposed to add the ice, so gotta do that first. Okay, so I took some of the ice. Ooh. Time to add the tapioca. Okay, I lied. Before I added the tapioca, I had to stir for 15 seconds. Honestly, read the instructions because I'm doing a terrible job of doing it. The tapioca has been added. I'm just gonna move this out for now. As you can see, it's in the bottom. And then you have to stir it for how long? Or no, empty tapioca in and let it stand for 1 minute. All right, well, a minute's gonna be a very long time for me. And they were sticking together, so I'm honestly gonna stir it for a second just because I don't want them all together. But while I wait for it to stand for a minute, I'm going to clean everything that I used. Well, it has been a minute, so I'm going to put my straw on. Oh, and it went all the way to the top. Yo, that was literally... Good job stopping with the ice, Ashley. Let's try it. Honestly, let me try one more. The tapioca balls have a tangy taste to them. And it might just be this milk tea, but this milk tea is very plain. I'm gonna let someone else try it, and then I'm gonna add sugar, man. Okay, so I went MIA. I'm leaving the kitchen because it's a little noisy over there, but I didn't end up liking the milk tea. I gave it to my mom, and she actually really liked it. And I think I didn't like it because it wasn't sweet, and I love sweet milk tea. Or sweet bubble tea just in general. Usually they'll ask you like what percentage of sugar do you want, and I always go like over 100. So because my mom actually liked that one, I just gave her all of it and she finished it. She has never liked any of the bubble teas that I've ever shared with her. My milk tea, my honey milk tea, my honey oolong milk tea, my Thai tea. I think I got Thai before. She doesn't like my taro, like. And she liked it. She finished the whole thing. Like, this is the second glass that I had. I had to just open it and then clean it and make it. This one that I'm drinking, this is Lipton tea. So I just made myself Lipton tea because I usually add milk to it anyway. And then I added a bunch of sugar. I added ice, but the ice melted really quickly. So I guess it's the powder which makes the ice not melt. And then I added the tapioca pearls. I think that these tapioca pearls do have like a tang to them, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's better to have them than not have them. So I might try making myself bubble tea, like, and do the tapioca pearls and buy them from the store or something. I don't know. But my mom really loved them, so it was still a win for me. And this is only just like the milk, so there's still 3 other flavors that I can try. So I'll keep you guys updated if I like any of the other flavors, but for now, the milk tea will go to my mom.